Nubia has launched the RedMagic 10 Air in China, a gaming-focused smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and LPDDR5X RAM. It features advanced cooling, AI optimizations, shoulder triggers, and comes bundled with the RedMagic Cooler 6 Pro for enhanced thermal performance. As part of the RedMagic lineup, the 10 Air is designed with mobile gaming in mind. This is evident in features like capacitive shoulder triggers for enhanced control in games and an advanced cooling system to maintain performance during intense gaming sessions. The RedMagic 10 Air sports a 6.8 inches BOE OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 93.7% screen-to-body ratio. It delivers 1600 nits peak brightness, supports 10-bit color, 100% DCI-P3, 2160Hz PWM, and DC dimming. For gamers, it offers ultra-fast 2000Hz touch sampling with Magic Touch Tech for 20% better responsiveness. At just 7.85mm, it's the brand's thinnest full-screen gaming phone, offering symmetrical weight distribution and flat 2.5D edges for better grip. Under the hood, the device runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with a custom Red Core R3 chip. This secondary chip enhances in-game performance by adjusting audio, vibration, and lighting in real time based on user preferences. Users can choose between configurations with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB UFS 4.0 storage for seamless multitasking and rapid loading times. To keep temperatures under control during heavy gameplay, the RedMagic 10 Air introduces the upgraded Composite Liquid Metal 2.0 cooling system. This includes a supersized 3D vapor chamber (VC), layered high-conductivity graphite sheets, and phase-change materials to rapidly draw heat away from the core components. Nubia says this setup delivers gaming laptop-level heat dissipation. It's further boosted by support for the external RedMagic Cooler 6 Pro, which attaches magnetically for sustained cooling during marathon sessions. The RedMagic 10 Air runs RedMagic OS 10 based on Android 15, featuring a gaming-focused UI and AI-powered tools like RedMagic, DeepSeek, Crosshair Assist, Recon Mode, Motion Control, and Buff Trigger for enhanced gameplay. In the camera department, the RedMagic 10 Air is equipped with a dual 50-megapixel rear camera setup, comprising a standard wide and an ultra-wide sensor. On the front, it houses a 16-megapixel under-display camera with Portrait Algorithm 4.0, offering a clean full-screen experience without notches or cutouts. Powering the phone is a large 6,000 mAh battery that supports 80 watts fast charging, capable of a full charge in just 35 minutes. The phone also supports bypass charging to reduce heat during gaming sessions while plugged in, further helping with long-term battery health and performance. The phone features stereo speakers, X-axis haptics, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5G, NFC, and USB-C. It also includes 520Hz dual IC shoulder triggers with MS-level response and a sweat-proof coating for gamers. The RedMagic 10 Air aims to provide a high-performance gaming experience in a more ergonomic and lightweight design compared to some of its contemporaries, without significantly compromising on battery life or camera capabilities. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe